Hello YouTube. I thought I'd make a video of me eating, well, now 13 Yoplait Greek yogurt. Yeah, strawberry flavored. They're disgusting. Don't try them. Oh. So, here goes number 13. Ugh. Yeah, that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like on a spoon. Oh. I don't even want to finish these. They're so nasty. So gross. Oh. I don't understand why I'm torturing myself like this. I just don't understand it. Ugh. So gross. Bite number 2. Ugh. I would actually rather get hit by a bus than eat these. Ugh. Oh, gross. Why am I doing this to myself? A few more bites and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 more to go. 2 down, 12 to go. Oh, you suck at this. I hate myself so much right now. Oh, she's so bad. If I get sick, blame my mother. You guys blame her too with me. And that makes 2. I hate myself so much right now. Number 3. It's like liquidizing. I'm surprised I'm even like getting this down my freaking throat. Ew. 4 minutes and 30 seconds have passed and I am only completed 2. Gotta take bigger bites. It's so gross. on top of that, I have like an acid taste in my throat. That totally helps with this nasty taste. Almost done. As you can see. Numero 3. Let's just watch these like pile up. You can't see them right now because they're not big. Ugh. It's my friends. Number 4. Yeah. I don't get those commercials where they tell you the Greek yogurt's really good. It's not good. Ooh. Excuse me. You just saw that too, right? Okay. Mmm. So nasty. Still not getting why I'm eating this. It's just disgusting. And that's what it looked like coming out of the mouth of a teenage girl. Mmm, bon appetit. This is so unappetizing. Don't ever do this to yourselves. You will get pregnant and die. Or ever get that feeling when when you feel like something's curdled? That's this right here. I'm going to take a small break and go get a drink. These yogurts disgust me. And my candy juice there. Well, I don't think you guys saw it perfectly when I opened it. That's what it looks like. Yeah, beautiful. Disgusting. Let's do this. Gotta make sure it's all in there. Stir it up. Stir, 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 stir. Oh, I just came up with a little song for that. Stir, baby, stir. Stir, the calories stir. Or, in these cases, Stir, baby, stir, stir that yogurt around. Judge me, I have problems, deep issues. I don't control this costume. I'm sorry that I made a video of this. Oh, sorry. I just end now with this much left in number 5. Leave with only 4 finished.